Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can customize your time tracking settings for your projects and work items on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Jira site and access your account settings by clicking into this icon in the top right corner, and after that click into work items here. Now inside your work items settings to the left, guys, here scroll down to time tracking under work item features. And here to the right, guys, you will see the default global time tracking settings, but you may change these, of course, by clicking into edit global settings, and here customize these by clicking into this field and that field. You may also change the time display format, and also the default unit from minute to hour, day, week, and so on and so forth, guys. Click into save to save your changes, and that's going to apply your global time tracking settings for your entire project and all the work items within it. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.